Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I've got this rasterized image and I want to convert to a vector shape. So I can scale it and without losing any quality. And as you can see at the moment we are at 100%. And as soon as we start zooming in we see some edges. So this means that if we try to scale it up, so resize it, make it larger, it will lose its quality and its sharpness around the edges. So for that, working with vector, it's actually the best way to do. So the first thing I want to do is, I've got this image right here. I want to go to image, adjustments, and I want to go to black and white. And the reason for black and white is very simple. I could just desaturate, but if I go to black and white, I've got the blues here, and I can actually make the blues black. So this is a good start. So I'll click OK, and I'm happy with this. Now I need just create a separation between, because we've got the circle, we've got surrounding around, and we've got right here the hands being washed, and this is not a good time all around the world. And make sure you wash your hands and look after yourself and be safe. So back to the tutorial. As you can see now we've got this, and normally I will just create a new blank layer and paint over it, but I don't need that for now. So I'm just going to select my brush tool. I've got my colors, D for default, and I'm just going to brush this area here like so. So this way we only have the hands and the tap. Cool. So now I need to load the white area as a selection, and because in channels, if we command click or control click on any of the channels, it will load the luminosity of the channel. In this case it will be the white. So I'm going to hold control on a PC, command on a Mac, and click. In this case, because they all look the same, normally you would go for the channel that gives you more contrast. So I'm just going for the blue, but I can go for the red or the green. Holding control or command, click on the thumbnail, and as you can see it has been loaded as a selection. So that's very cool. So now comes the important thing. We need to come here and select any selection tool, and for that is because with the brush selected, if we right click we only change the size and hardness, etc. But if you have a selection tool selected and you come here and right click on it, you have make work path. So the tolerance, I'll go for 1 pixel, that's fine, and I'll click OK. And as you can see, just convert to a path, which is pretty cool. So what we need to do now is, with the path selected, let's say I want to change the color of the background, because obviously black, it doesn't look right. So I'll come here, new adjustment layer, solid color, and I can change to any color I want. As you can see, changes the color. And I'm just going to hide this for the time being. And let's get the background color. So solid color again, and I'm going to make it white. And we've got the color fill, which is filling obviously the hands and the tap. And as you can see right here, this means that it has a vector mask. So if we come here with let's say the pen tool or the path selection tool, and we right click on it, we've got free transform path. This allows us to scale how we want, and as you can see I'm going to scale it a lot more. I'll accept the changes, and as you can see, still sharp edges. And not only we are here now zoomed in at 200%, just about, but we also upscale the image way bigger than the canvas. So if this was the case, we can come here, select the crop tool, and we can actually just come here and just expand the canvas like so. Whoops. There we go. And actually I'm going to change the color, so double clicking on thumbnail, and look at that. How cool is this? And as you can see, very easy, simple to do. And you can even save this as a shape. You can create a brush, you can do whatever you want. That's it for now. And before I say my goodbye, make sure you stay safe. Spend some time at home. Make sure your family are safe as well. And wash your hands. Even though it's not only washing hands that it will help you, but hey, every small gesture counts towards your safety and your family safety and friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, family, and even to those we don't know. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.